Right, lecture quiz 8. Let's get into it. 2 questions. First one is a multiple choice. We have find the GCF of 36x squared y to the 4th and 24x y to the 7th. Let's first hone in on 36 and 24, finding the GCF between these two numbers by utilizing our cake method. I know that 12 goes into both of them. 12 goes into 36 3 times and goes into 24 twice. 3 and 2 are relatively prime, so we're done, which means our GCF is just 12 here. And then let's look at the variables. So we have our 12, and then for our x, which one has a smaller exponent, x squared or x? Well, x is just 1, x to the first. So that's going to be x to the first. And then for y, between y to the 4th and y to the 7th, we have 4 is the smaller. So we have y to the 4th. So our overall GCF, including our x and y variables, are 12x y to the 4th, which is answer choice A. Right. That completes our first question. Let's move on to question 2, where we're asked to factor this trinomial. We're going to treat our negative 24b squared as a constant. And because our leading coefficient is 1, we're just looking for what are factor pairs of negative 24b squared that add to 5b. Well, factor pairs of 24, we have 1, 24. We have 2, 12. We have 3, 8. We have 4 and 6. Now, b squared has to be broken up in order for us to look at like terms. So we're going to put b's next to them. And then we have a negative here, so we need to manipulate with the negative, which adds to positive 5b using negatives. So negative 3b and positive 8b. Perfect. So now we can factor this out. We have our a in the front, and then we have the minus 3b and plus 8b. And that's it. If you're not convinced that this is our factored form, then use FOIL to check. A times A. Actually, why don't I put this down here first because I know it's right. A times A gives you A squared. My pen is dying on me. A times 8B is plus 8AB. Negative 3B times A gives you a negative 3AB. And then negative 3B times positive 8B is negative 24b squared. Combine like terms, and you're going to end up with a squared plus 5ab minus 24b squared. A squared plus 5ab minus 24b squared. It's the same as what we started with, so we factored it correctly. That completes our question 2 and our lecture quiz 8. Please let me know if you have any questions. Take care.